Alright guys, so today I went to double play down to Mankato and I got the new Cosmic Eclipse set, Sun and Moon. I'm going to open them up today. My first card opening, so hope you enjoy, I guess. I can get this stupid thing open. Ah, crap, I don't like the look of this. Oh, card trick. Yes, the energy, I'm stealing this from Leonard, so I don't care. I don't care. I didn't. Sylveon. Are these things weighed or something? Electric. Alright. Flareon, Litleo, Coughing, Nosepass, Sonora, Rockruff, Lily's Pokédoll, and Fiona. For some reason it's upside down. Grass type. Nope. Probopass, Torkoal, Wailmer, Ponyard, Togedemaru, Trapinch, Flabebe, Phantom, Sunflora. Come on! Ultra rare! Oh, we need last pack magic. Oh crap. Hello? I'm gonna guess Psychic. Okay, grass. Ooh. Energy. Wanda's Fishing Rod. Chaotic Swell, Pignite, Cosmog, Slugma, Wailmer, Ponyard, Togedemaru. Holy crap! Okay, we're done here.